In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best catch of the day coupon promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for catch of the day coupon promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Marie Clary and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes and offers that we can use in order to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here, all you have to do is select get coupon from right here, and as you can see, you can copy the promo code from right here. But first of all, you have to sign up to the website, and the promo code will be available. You can copy from right here and use it on your next purchase to get a discount. Also, scrolling down a little bit right here, we have this couponfollow.com website, which also provides some promo codes that you can use in order to get a discount. So, for example, right here, if you want to get this 50% discount, all you have to do is select show coupon code from right here. And for this one, as you can see, there is no coupon code needed. All you need to do is select continue to this offer and you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.